Good afternoon, all of you. Hello. Yes, आवाज येतोय व्यवस्थित?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just electricity problem is there. Actually, I was connected from the another device. That's why just checking my voice and audio quality and all this thing. Okay, just wait. So we just start. Within 2 minutes, we will start that our lecture. Okay. So we just start. So in the morning lecture, you will see that the concept of the yes.
De Moivre's theorem.
De Moivre's theorem. Okay. Now we see that the concept of just a bit. Now we see the concept of that application of De Moivre's theorem. Application of De Moivre's theorem. So right on that next part is root of complex number. Just a bit. Roots of complex number. Okay. Means what is De Moivre's theorem? Cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta is equal to what? Is equal to what? Cos theta plus I sin theta bracket this 2n is equal to what? Cos of n theta plus I times sin of n theta. Okay, same concept we can apply here. Okay, so this is also called as application of De Moivre's theorem. What do you say that? Root of complex number or application of De Moivre's theorem. Application of De Moivre's theorem. Application of just to install that software. Wacom tablet. Okay. Just wait. Just we install that vacuum tablet driver. That's why the smoothness is actually not properly. Just wait. Just wait. Okay. Just still further people are joining. ते कायमच लेट होणार आहेत. म्हणजे किती झाले 34 झाले. 7 मिनिटं लेक्चर चालू होऊन सुद्धा झाले पण ते काय येत नाहीये. Just within 2 or 3 minutes, we will just start our lecture again, once again. Okay. In the morning lecture, we will see that some concept. Okay, the concept of the De Moivre's theorem. In the important theme is for the first term cos theta. First term is cos theta. In that, the real part is cos theta and imaginary part is sin theta. Real part is what? Cos theta and imaginary part is sin theta. Then we apply the. Yes. We apply the concept of that De Moivre's theorem. Okay. Just wait. That is installing the software. Then we will start our lecture because the pad is not properly working here. Okay, let us start. It's install lecture window. So just understand my handwriting. Sorry for that. Okay. So what is the application of De Moivre's theorem? Is cos theta plus I sin theta. What is the application? We have seen that cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta. Bracket base to n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin theta. Am I right? This is your normal term. Okay. But here In normally, in general, a cos theta plus I sin theta. Yes, just someone is chat with me. Hello, आवाज येतोय clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Priti, check your correction. So cos theta plus I sin theta is equal to cos of n theta, or better way, cos of 2n pi plus theta plus I times sin of 2n pi plus theta. In general result we can write down cos of 2n pi plus theta plus I times sin of 2n pi plus theta, where n is running from 0, 1, 2 so on. हा जो n आहे तो कुठून जातोय 0, 1, 2, 3 so on. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Where this n is running from 0, 1, 2, 3 so on. Okay, so in this way we are just use this result. So how to apply this step, that is the important. How to apply this step, that is very important. Okay. Okay, so there are steps to find roots of any complex number. बाबा complex number से root कसे find करायचे? Step to find roots of any complex number. So we got the step. So there are the few steps. So first step, let z is equal to x plus iy. Let z is equal to x plus iy. Okay. Let z is equal to x plus iy. This is the first step. Which one is second step? Okay, just a bit. First step, let z is equal to x plus iy be a given complex number. Be a given complex number. Second step, find its polar form. This step is very important. Find its polar form. Find its polar form. Find its polar form. What is the polar form of this? Yes. What is the polar form of this? Yes. Z equal to is the polar form का असेल x plus iy चा. Hello. What is the polar form of this?
R in bracket cos theta plus I sin theta.
Okay. R equal to R sorry, z equal to r times cos theta. So this is the notation of cos theta, बरं का? Cos theta plus cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta. At म्हणजे theta बरं का? Sorry for that. Bracket complete. Bracket complete. This is the second step. Which one is third step? Third step. Third step. Find its general form. Find its general form. General कुठला form करायचा? General polar form. So how we use the general polar form? Yes. Yes. General polar form. म्हणजेच काय? ब्रॅकेट मध्ये application of yes application of yes de Moivre's theorem. Application of de Moivre's theorem. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Application of de Moivre's theorem. बाबा मग हे कसं आहे? हे कसं आहे? हे कसं आहे? What is the general form of this? Z equal to R times cos of in bracket cos of in bracket. Yes, what is the general form of this? Cos theta plus I sin theta. General form काय लेणार? Cos of yes 2n
Pi plus theta.
2n pi plus theta. Okay, bracket complete. Plus
I sin 2n pi plus theta.
I times sin in bracket 2n pi plus theta. तुम्ही पूर्ण लिहा बरं का? Please, sorry for that. So general formula is where n is running from. N is running from n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So this n is running from what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay. Then fourth one. Then fourth one. What is the fourth one? Apply that. What do you need? Z raised to p by q and what may be? Z raised to p by q and r raised to p by q. We apply this on this. The notation next one is what? Just we are applying this. So we got the term. We applying. We got the term. Fourth one is fourth one. Then Z raised to p by q is equal to r raised to p by q into bracket cos of 2n pi plus theta plus I times sin of 2n pi plus theta bracket raised to p by q. Okay, that you asked. Now what is the z raised to p by q? Z raised to p by q is equal to r raised to p by q into cos of, by applying the De Moivre's theorem, what do you get the result? 2n pi plus theta divided by q and into किती झाला रे?
P.
P. Okay, into झाला p. A bracket complete. Bracket complete. Okay, no problem, Vaishnavi. Same problem here, Vaishnavi. Same problem. हाँ, same problem here. Light नहीं है. Same problem. Join हुआ मैं तुम्हारा ही करतो काय? Add करतो.
हाँ हाँ
Plus I times sine of p times 2n pi plus theta divided by q. Okay, bracket complete. So use this result, we got the answer. Put all values of n. Put all values of n. Put all values of n in above equation. In above equation, we get okay. Okay, now it's clear. Okay, now it's clear. Okay, software is installed now. Okay, just a wait. Webcam tablet software is installed now. Just wait. Okay, okay. Thank you very much. Okay, just wait now. Cancel, yes. बाळा तिकडे जाऊ ना प्लीज. सिद्धी, अरे तिकडे जाऊ ना, मी लेक्चर घेतोय ना. Okay, so we just start again. We get require roots of complex number. Roots of complex number. Okay, we get require roots of complex number. Okay, clear? Hello. Once again we are repeat this topic on next page. Don't worry. Okay, again we repeat this same process in next page for the detail, because this is very important. ओके, झालं का सगळ्यांचं? हॅलो, झालंय का? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just we step again. Okay, just see here. We see the topic is application of De Moivre's theorem. In that we see cos theta plus I sin theta bracket raised to n is equal to cos theta plus what? This is De Moivre's theorem, na? We are see the application, na? Cos theta plus I sin theta is equal to cos of 2n pi plus theta plus I times sin of 2n pi plus theta where n is running from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay. Now, how to solve this? Step to find roots of algebraic equation or roots of complex number. So for that, what is the first step? We just repeat again that step. First step is let z is equal to x plus iy be a complex number. Be a complex number. Second step, find its polar form. Find its polar form. So what is the polar form? Z equal to r times cos theta plus I times sin theta. So just we calculate the r is square root of x square plus y square, and theta we can calculate by using depend upon the value of x and y. If it containing the first quadrant, we have find the theta is tan inverse of y by x. It containing the second quadrant, we have find the theta is equal to what? Pi minus tan inverse of y by x. If containing the third quadrant, then theta is minus pi plus tan inverse of y by x. It containing the fourth quadrant, then theta is minus tan inverse of y by x. So in this way, you find theta. Then third, find its general form. Find its general form. Find its general form by application of De Moivre's theorem. Okay, so what is general form? So z equal to r times cos of this r is same cos theta plus I sin theta. So we can write down the cos of 2n pi plus theta plus I times sin of 2n pi plus theta. Okay. So and last step, what you need to ask? We find the root. Then z raised to p by q is equal to r raised to p by q into cos of 2n pi plus theta plus I times sin of 2n pi plus theta bracket raised to p by q. Just we applying this result, we got the z raised to p by q is equal to r raised to p by q is equal to cos of 2n pi plus theta divided by q, that p form, plus I times sin of p times 2n pi plus theta divided by q. So we just got the value of n is equal to 0, 1, so on. Okay. So put all values of n in above equation. We get require roots of complex number. Roots of complex number. Yes, clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
ओके जस्ट कारण मागचा जो प्रॉब्लेम होता त्याचं काय झालं, अक्षरचा प्रॉब्लेम, त्याच्यामुळे आपण हे डिटेल मध्ये दिले. ओके, नथिंग चेंजेस. ओके, नाउ वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. झालंय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we go to the example. Okay, so example, first example, find all values of 1 by 2 plus I times root 3 by 2 bracket raised to 1 by 4. Bracket raised to 1 by 4. Find all values of. So how many root of this equation exists? Find all values of. How many values or how many root of this equation exists? So we calculate the all values. Okay. So we got the all values is as easy as usual. Okay. So आता पहिल्यांदा काय करायचं लक्षात घ्या. So first we are note this. This is which form? This is which form? Yes. हा कुठला फॉर्म झाला? हॅलो. अरे मित्रांनो हा कुठला फॉर्म झाला? हॅलो. हा कुठला फॉर्म झाला? आवाज येतोय का ऐकायला? अरे हा कुठला फॉर्म झाला?
Cartesian form.
Cartesian form. So just we have form. First of all, convert the Cartesian. What is the step first? What is the step first? Write down the given complex number in terms of z is equal to x plus iy. पण याच्यामध्ये जर व्यवस्थित ऑब्झर्व केलं तर काय दिसतं रे? याच्यामध्ये व्यवस्थित ऑब्झर्व केलं तर काय दिसतं तुम्हाला? हॅलो. काय दिसते?
Index.
Okay, so for that we are here 1/4 आधी कन्वर्ट करा. म्हणजे काय करणार? टेक फोर्थ पॉवर ऑन बोथ साइड्स. So we got that z raised to 4, very important, z raised to 4 1/2 plus I times root 3/2. Now we convert this form into Cartesian, polar form. So how we convert? So what is the x value? 1/2. What is y value? Root 3/2. So we got that r equal to, what is r equal to? Square root of x square plus y square. What is x square plus y square? What do you get the answer? Yes. 1/4 plus 3/4. So what is the answer? R equal to 1. Theta x greater than 0 and y greater than 0. So theta containing which quadrant? Theta containing which quadrant? First quadrant.
First quadrant.
What is the angle? Tan inverse of y by x. Root 3/2 divided by 1/2. So what do you get the answer? 2 get cancelled. Tan inverse of root 3. So when the tan inverse is root 3, when the tan inverse is root 3, at the angle pi by
3.
60 ला बरोबर आहे. theta भेटला. Now we got that z raised to 4 equal to. So just we calculate that. This equal to what? R times cos theta plus I times sin theta. We just put the value of R and theta. So R is equal to 1. What do you get the answer? Cos of theta. What is theta? Theta pi by 3 plus I times sin theta pi by 3. Okay. Now by application of De Moivre's theorem. Application of De Moivre's theorem. स्टेप नंबर कुठली झाली रे? ही स्टेप झाली, 1 झाली, 2 झाली. बरोबर आहे. फॉलोअर फॉर्म मध्ये कन्वर्ट केला. आता जनरल फॉर्म लिहायचा आहे. सो बाय ऍप्लिकेशन ऑफ De Moivre's theorem आपण जनरल फॉर्म काय लिहू शकतो? z raised to 4 इक्वल टू r त्या ठिकाणी नाही, r1 आहे. काय लिहिणार? cos of 2n pi plus pi by 3 plus I times sin of 2n pi plus pi by 3. बरोबर आहे का? इथपर्यंत सगळे आहेत का? कळालं का?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So z raised to 4 cos of, just modify करू याला, take LCM same 3. So what is that? 6n pi plus pi divided by 3 plus I times sin of 6n pi plus pi divided by 3. So from this equation, what is the n? Where n is running from? Where n is running from? Yes. The किती रूट आहे? 0, 1, 2, 2, 3 so on. पण इथे किती रूट पाहिजे आपल्याला रे? हॅलो, किती रूट पाहिजे आपल्याला? हॅलो, अरे मित्रांनो किती रूट पाहिजे आपल्याला? 4 रूट पाहिजे. बरोबर आहे. 4 रूट पाहिजे आपल्याला. बरोबर आहे. 4 रूट पाहिजे. मग किती येणार? 1, 2, 3, 4 पर्यंत येणार. n रनिंग होणार ना. सपोज 5 पाहिजे असेल तर 4 घेतला असता, 3 पाहिजे असेल 3 घेतले असते. डिपेंड अपॉन द व्हॅल्यू. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट सो वी गॉट द व्हॅल्यू. आता आपल्याला काढायचं काय, झेड काढायचं, बरोबर आहे. मग झेड रेस टू पुरा काय झाला, ई रेस टू आय टाइम्स काय झाला रे, 6n पाय प्लस पाय डिवाइड बाय 3, where n is running from 0, 1, 2, 3. पुढे हॅलो वैष्णवी, आर यू देअर? हॅलो वैष्णवी. हा हा, नाही नाही नाही, रोल नंबर 40 वैष्णवी पाटील.
हा यस सर.
जॉईन झाला ना, ओके ओके ओके
हा.
ओके. सो झेड रेस टू 4, आता आपल्याला काय पाहिजे, झेड पाहिजे. मग काय करणार, टेक फोर्थ रूट ऑन बोथ साइड. सो ई रेस टू आय टाइम्स 6n पाय प्लस पाय डिवाइड बाय 3, रेस टू किती करणार आहे आपण, 1/4 करणार. बाय द सिम्प्लिफिकेशन व्हॉट यू गेट द आन्सर, z इक्वल टू yes, z equal to e raised to I times 6n pi plus pi divided by 12. अलग लक्षात, hello.
Yes, sir.
So we got that cos of, okay, no, there is no need to write on this one, just we write on that up to this. तर इथपर्यंत सगळ्यांना कळालं, कोणाला काय अडचण, hello?
No, sir.
Okay, now we find a 4 root. So how find the 4 root for first n equal to 0, we find z1. For n equal to 0, z1 काय येणार रे, e raised to I times n equal to 0 टाकला काय येणार, pi by 12, म्हणजेच काय, cos pi by 12 plus I times sin pi by 12. There is no need to calculate cos pi by 12. So for n equal to 1, what is z2? n equal to 2, what is z2? n equal to 1 असताना तुमचं सेकंड रूट काय येणार रे,
E raised to 7 pi by 12.
6 प्लस पाय ना, 6 पाय प्लस
Yes.
पाय 7 पाय, म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये 6 ऍड करा, 7 पाय बाय 12. सिमिलरली n इक्वल टू 2, z3 काय येणार,
E raised to I 13 pi by 12.
e रेस टू आय टाइम 6 ऍड करा, 7 आणि 7 13 पाय बाय 12. आणि n इक्वल टू 3, z4 e raised to I times 6 add kara 19 pi by 12. So this is the 4 root. So we are asked to find all root. So here z1, z2, z3 and z4 be the root of complex number का आपला 1/2 plus I times root 3/2 raised to 1/4. लक्षात, हॅलो कळलं का मित्रांनो?
यस सर.
त्याच्यामध्ये आणखीन एक मॉडिफाय क्वेश्चन असतो, तो का सांगतो मला. त्याच्यामध्ये आणखीन एक मॉडिफाय क्वेश्चन, also find the continuous product of the all root. Also find continuous product. मग continuous product काय येणार याचा, continuous product काय येणार, या सगळ्याचा continuous product काय येणार रे, e raised to I times बेस सेम आहे, फक्त ऍडिशन करत जायचं, म्हणजे काय, पाय प्लस 7 pi plus 13 pi plus 19 pi divided by 12. What is the addition? Yes. What is the addition? E raised to I times. Yes. 13 and 7 20. 20 and 20 40. 40 भागिले 12. 40 pi by 12. आणि हे सिम्प्लिफाय करा, दॅट्स युअर आन्सर. ओके, हे तुमचं ऍडिशनल क्वेश्चन हा, एमसीक्यू ला पडू शकतात. आलं लक्षात? कोणाला काय अडचण, कोणाला काय अडचण?
नो सर.
Okay. So write down just ओके, झालं का रे? हॅलो, समजलं सगळं? ओके. यशवंत होतो सकाळी नव्हतं लेक्चरला? ओके. Okay, can I go to the next example? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So just take the example for you. Second example, find all values of find all values of 1 by 2 plus I times root 3 by 2. Raised to 3 by 4. फक्त मी raised to 3 by 4 change केलं. Find all values of and also show that continue product also show that continue product of this value is 1. What is the question? Find all values of 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2 raised to 3 by 4. Find all values of 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2 raised to 3 by 4. And also show that the continued product of this value is 1. Solve करू शकतात? काय चेंज झाला रे फक्त? हॅलो, चेंज काय झाला? हॅलो, रेस टू चेंज झाला फक्त, बाकी सर्व सेम. म्हणजे इथपर्यंत सेम. रेस टू 3 by 4, z रेस टू 3 by 4, z रेस टू 3 by 4 हे सेम. z रेस टू 3 by 4, z रेस टू 3 by 4, z रेस टू इथपर्यंत तर सेम येणार आहे. ह्याच्या पुढे काय येणार? z इक्वल टू रेस टू 3 by 4. ह्याला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय म्हणजे 18 प्लस 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 12. 18 3 n पाय म्हणजे फक्त ही व्हॅल्यू बदलतील आणि त्याचे आन्सर काढा. करू शकतात? हॅलो,
Yes, sir.
so start. बोला. हॅलो. हे सुटलं का रे? सुटतंय ना? So याला काय करा आधी z इक्वल टू करा 1/2 प्लस I टाइम्स रूट 3/2 ब्रॅकेट रेस टू 3/4. मग हा कसं होणार? z इक्वल सॉरी काय होणार रे? आणि काय होणार? z रेस टू 4/3 होणार बरोबर आहे. एक्झॅक्टली अपोजिट इज इक्वल टू 1/2 प्लस I टाइम्स रूट 3/2. जरा डायरेक्टली काय करा, त्याचा पोलर फॉर्म ऑलरेडी काढलाय, तो काय होणार आहे cos pi/3 plus I times sin pi/3. By using application of De Moivre's theorem, we get z raised to 4/3 cos of 2n pi plus theta plus I times sin of 2n pi plus theta, where n is running from 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 रूट काढायचे म्हणजे डिवाइड बाय किती ते चेक करा. 4 आहे तेवढे रूट काढायचे. सो वी गॉट द z raised to 4/3 e raised to I times 6n pi मतलब काय करा 2n pi plus pi/3. just modify z raised to 4/3 is equal to e raised to I times 6n pi plus pi divided by 3. Just take again root of this e raised to I times 6n pi plus pi divided by 3 into 3/4. So we get the answer z equal to e raised to I times किती? 3 गेले ना, हे 3 जाणार म्हणजे काय होणार? 6n pi plus pi divided by 4, where n is running from 0, 1, 2, 3. Now for n equal to 0, we got the z1 equal to e raised to I times pi/4. For n equal to 1, z2 is equal to e raised to I times 6 ऍड करा फक्त त्याच्यामध्ये. किती होणार? 7 pi/4. कारण 6 चा डिफरन्स आहे ना इथे. n equal to 2 टाका. z3 काय होणार? e raised to I times 6 किती ऍड करा? 6 ऍड करा. 7 आणि 6 13 pi/4. So n equal to 3. z4 equal to e raised to I times 6 ऍड करा 19 pi/4. So this is the first 4 root. पहिला क्वेश्चन संपला. Find all values. Now the continuous product. मग continuous product काय येणार? Continuous product is equal to z1 into z2 into z3 into z4. So base same आहे e raised to I times. Numerator ला घेणार किती? Yes. pi plus 7 pi plus 13 pi plus 19 divided by 4. So what do you get the answer? E raised to I times 40 pi by 4. So what is 40 pi by 4 is e raised to I times 10 pi. So what is that? It's cos of 10 pi plus I times sin of 10 pi. Cos 10 pi. What is cos 10 pi? Cos pi. व्यवस्थित ऑब्झर्व केलं तर या ठिकाणी काय येणार रे? cos 0 1 cos pi 2 pi 3 pi 4 5 म्हणजे इकडे तर e1 येतं आणि इकडे तर ऑड. e1 ला 1 येतं. e1 म्हणजे काय? 2 10 pi म्हणजे e1. So cos 10 pi is 1 1 plus 0 आहे. So the answer is 1. So continuous product is 1. We got the answer. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So these all nothing but hope so. We just अवघड झाला आता. लाईट कधी येणार आहे? 24 minutes are left. Okay. So all of you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So you want some answer, some example for your homework?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just take that example, a few example, find all values. Hard work. Third, find all values of 1 plus I, bracket raised to 1 by 4. Fourth one, just write minus 1 plus I, bracket raised to 2 by 5. These two example for your hard work, just do at home. पण ह्या ठिकाणी थीटा काढताना लक्षात केअरफुली पहा. थीटा काढताना इथे काय करावं लागेल रे? हॅलो, थीटा काढताना काय करावं लागेल? क्वाड्रंट कुठे? क्वाड्रंट कुठे?
सेकंड
सेकंड क्वाड्रंट. त्यानुसार चेंज होतील, बाकी सर्व सेम. करू शकतात?
यस सर.
ओके ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टँड? काय अडचण कोणाला? हॅलो, सुरुवातीचे आपले एक 10-15 मिनिटं वाया गेले, नाही तर आपला हा डी मोरेस थेरम पण आपलं बऱ्यापैकी आणखी क्लिअर झाला असता. असू द्या. क्लिअर एव्हरीवन? प्लीज रिप्लाय मी. Tomorrow we try to end this application part. Okay, त्याचा application म्हणजे पहिला पार्ट आपण एंड करायचा प्रयत्न करू, म्हणजे एंड होतील असं. ओके, so this is the end of our application of De Moivre's theorem. So झाले सगळ्यांचं? स्टॉप करूया?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you for connecting, thank you very much, and thank you for your patience. Thank you very much.